What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a fun little video to do with you guys. I just thought it might be something entertaining. Justin the Hunter on Instagram messaged me and with this little thing that ZT's doing. It says, answer these 8 questions and we'll tell you which of our most popular ZTs you are. I think they just tell you one knife. But I was like, that's weird, but okay, that sounds like fun. It's not a paid thing by ZT or anything. I just thought you guys might find it interesting, and I'll provide a link so that you guys can do it as well. Speaking of links, be sure to check out my Redbubble store, which has a whole bunch of really cool Metal Complex merch, some exclusive stickers, t-shirts, blah, blah, blah. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So check out that Redbubble link, which is going to be also right at the top of my description. Okay, so it says answer these 8 questions and we'll tell you which of our most popular ZTs you are. I've been wanting to do this for like all day, and I've saved it because I want it to be organic. Okay, so where would you rather spend a week off? By the way, you'll learn nothing from this. If I was personified as a knife, I guess it won't give anybody any useful information. Where would you rather spend a week off? A tropical paradise, a rustic cabin in the wilderness, on an urban adventure, away somewhere with family, camping in the great outdoors, out hunting. Away somewhere with family, absolutely. Choose some gear. Okay, EDC gear, digital gear, interesting. Firearm, mountains, here I come, build it, fix it, range time. The one that applies to me the best is definitely build it, fix it. I say titanium, you say in my gear, less weight, yes please, yes, just yes. Smart choice, it's a no-brainer. I like it dark, DLC coated, looks good. I like the look, steel strong, strong as steel, and I like the weight. Smart choice, I think. Choose your transportation. I already see the one that I want. Jeep, luxury auto, classic muscle, motorcycle, pickup truck, Range Rover. I'm gonna go with classic muscle. How long does it take you to pull the trigger on a new ZT for your collection? When I see the right one, it's 0 to buy in less than a minute. Months, I like to savor the experience. It depends. How badly do I need a new ZT? About a week, I need to do some research. As long as it takes me to visit my favorite retailer, I need to get my hands on it. It usually takes a while. I want to make the right decision. It takes me about a week. Yeah, I think so. Which show would you binge watch? The Walking Dead? That really petered out for me towards the end. NCIS? No. John Glesser loves gear. Should I have seen that? I feel like I need to. Game of Thrones, Battlestar Galactica, and Robots. Yeah, Game of Thrones. Choose a style. Everyday casual style, exec style, plaid style, athletic style, outdoor style, casual Friday style. I like athletic. I like everyday casual. I'm most comfortable in this. Guys, this is what I look like on the weekend or when I have a day off. So I guess that one's me. Okay. Last one, which superpower would you choose? Super strength, force field, invisibility, telekinesis, flight, and super speed. Well, there are obvious benefits to a whole bunch of these. Like I'm tempted to go here, and I'm tempted to go here too. No. What would I do with a force field? Yeah, I'm gonna go. My gut instinct tells me to go super strength, and they put a picture of the Hulk there. Oh. All right, perfect. I'm the ZT0393, the Hinder design. You are, what does it say down here? You are as strongly bold as the solid grip and gripping looks of the 0393. Oh my gosh, I read that like an 8-year-old. You are as strongly bold as the solid grip and gripping looks of the 0393. You're practical and prepared, but you also have a certain colorful flair. People know they can count on you. Your family knows they can count on you, and you want to be able to count on your tools. So you choose ZT for performance, build, and made in the USA quality. Yeah, I mean, this is a very creative ad by ZT. Listen, I'm a big ZT fan. They have no idea that I'm doing this. This was just for fun. Yeah, you know, this is the kind of stuff that I think is interesting. I wish that there was more stuff out there like that. You know, these corny things that you see on which Disney princess are you? I'm laughing at that, but I've taken that test. Anyways, this kind of stuff is fun. You know, I like this. This is an interesting little interactive thing. You can see the link right here, but I will provide it down in the description to make sure that you guys have something that you can actually click on and do that for yourself. And then if you want to, you can post your results and tag me in it on Instagram. Follow me at metal_complex. Again, make sure you check out my Redbubble link for my merch if you guys want to pick some of this stuff up. There's some really cool stuff in there, and there's going to be more and more and more in the future. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. So if you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, make sure that you click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.